Down in trade this hour, the government hiked excise duty on petrol and diesel by 2 rupees a litre. Oil Minister Hardeep Puri said that oil marketing companies will bear the burden. The government has also hiked the price of LPG cylinder by 50 rupees from tomorrow. Now, essentially, what has happened is that the oil marketing companies will absorb the excise duty hike, so you and me as consumers will not have to pay more at the pump tomorrow. So retail prices remain the same. Now, the oil minister also said that it is likely that the funds that are collected by way of excise as well as by way of the price hike of the LPG cylinders will be used to compensate oil marketing companies for the losses stemming from the LPG subsidy dues, which are at over 41,000 crore rupees. Take a look.
What we have decided, therefore, is that the average price, not the average, the price per cylinder of LPG will increase by 50 rupees. In other words, from 500 it will go up to 550, and the other one will go up from 803 to 853. Now, this is a step which we will review as we go along.
Well, what we need to understand is that all the decisions that have been taken in terms of the duty reject on petrol, diesel and the increase in the LPG price cylinders effective from tomorrow morning, all these decisions are basically to take care of the under-recoveries being incurred by the oil marketing companies in terms of the LPG cylinders. For instance, the oil minister has indicated very clearly that last financial year, a massive 41,338 crores worth of under-recoveries have been incurred or rather suffered by the OMCs on LPG cylinders. And to make good that shortfall, a 2 rupees increase in the excise duty on petrol and diesel has been effected. Now, around 32,000 crores is going to accrue from this price hike or rather duty hike in the current financial year, depending on the fuel consumption, how much of fuel is consumed, ultimately petrol and diesel. As of now, the estimates indicate 32,000 crores will be gathered. So part of that will flow to the OMCs to make good their losses of last financial year. And as far as the current ongoing concurrent losses on LPG cylinders are concerned, 50 rupees price hike is going to be effective across the board, both for non-Ujjwala and for Ujjwala consumers. So to that extent, the OMCs will have some kind of a buffer as far as the current financial year is concerned. Last but not the least, also the excise duty hike, that's not going to be passed on to the retail consumers. However, the government is hopeful that if crude oil continues to be in a range of $60 to $65 odd, on the contrary, there could be headroom for OMCs to decrease fuel prices down the line. This is the situation as of now.
All right, Sapna, many thanks for joining us. European Union